व्यूअर आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज। चलते हैं अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कर दें। इंट्रोडक्शन। प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज इज़ वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट domains in information technology. Paradigm. The choice of the programming language is critical for the success of IT applications. This unit describes different types of programming language and generation of programming language. The concept of compiler, interpreter, and linker is also explained. Objective. After completing this unit, student would be able to understand basic concept of computer language, familiar with the domain of the high level and low level language, differentiate between compiler, interpreter, and linker, have knowledge about different generation of programming language and their characteristics. Programming language. A computer cannot perform any operation at its own. It requires some instruction to perform a task. The computer executes these instructions in the sequence and perform the required job. Now the question is how to formulate the instruction that a computer can understand. The instructions are the formulated according to a predefined format, and that is the based on the syntax and the semantics of the programming language. A computer language is an artificial language used for writing instruction for program. A computer language is also known as a programming language. A programming language provides a way of giving instruction to the computer. It is used to communicate and giving command to a computer. Computer program. A program is set of commands or instruction given to computer to perform a task. A program instruction the computer to the perform the task and produce the required result. The computer executes these instructions and gives the desired output. And person who writes a program for the computers is known as software programmer. The process of the writing a set of instruction in a computer language is called programming. The purpose of the programming is to create a set of instruction and a computer can understand the execute to perform the explicit operation in order to produce the desired results. Type of programming language. There is a large number of the programming language developed by different organizations, and each language has its own characteristics and scope. The computer language are divided into bold categories. They are low level language, high level language. Low level language is a language that comprises of the instruction directly understood by the computer. These language are considered to be closer to computer. Programs and the application written in low level language are directly executable on the computing hardware without any interpretation or translation. Therefore, low-level language programs run very quickly and use very small memory. There are two kinds of low-level language. These are machine language and assembly language. Machine language. Machine language is the fundamental language of the computer. Currently, Computer programs were written in machine language, and the machine language was the only language the computer can use while giving instruction. Machine language statement are the generally composed of the site of the आज तक इतनी next